Hi, my name is Levi, and today I'm here with my mom. And this is my mom.
Hey guys.
And today we're making pumpkin whoopie pies.
That sounds like fall.
Oh yes.
Alright, so let's tell everybody about the ingredients.
So here's our can of pumpkin,
Gluten-free flour,
white and brown sugar, eggs,
vanilla,
that's right,
vegetable oil, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and pumpkin pie spice. Sounds good, huh?
That'd be great.
Okay, well let's start mixing.
Okay, let's get on this video. So all you do is put the brown sugar into a bowl. So and this is the white sugar.
So let's show everybody your new can opener from Kitchen Mama.
Oh yes.
Pretty cool. This hands-free can opener helps Leah to be independent in the kitchen so she can open cans without using her hands. Show them how it works.
It's like this. This is how you do it. So after this, I just dumped it into a mixing bowl. And I can do it again.
Oh, this is so easy.
Really easy.
So easy. Man, you can make all kinds of stuff in the kitchen.
Oh yes, definitely.
Got it again.
Got it again.
Let's do it. Perfect. What was your nickname when you were little?
Pumpkin.
But you were a little pumpkin.
I am.
That smells good, doesn't it? You smell that pumpkin?
Smells good. I also love you.
I love you too. All right, how much oil do we need?
So we need 1 cup of vegetable oil.
It's gonna need some flour.
Yeah.
Okay. Leah, we should have put the eggs in first.
Yeah, who should
Look at that. Ooh. It's gonna work out.
Yes, oh my God.
It's gonna work out. It looks like an oil spill.
Okay. It kind of different.
It does look kind of different. Kind of different than when we made it before.
Yeah, we did.
Ooh.
And now we have eggs. And now we put the eggs in the bowl. And now it's time to stir it. Oh! You okay? Sorry.
You got a little fire with that.
And now it's time for roulette on sprouts.
That smells good. It's looking better and better.
That is not better.
Oh, that does look a lot better. Next is the flour.
Yes, we need our gluten.
Gluten-free flour, that's right. We use a 1-to-1 ratio gluten-free flour in all of our family recipes so that we can make everything gluten-free in our house.
Yes.
And it tastes yummy.
That's a Sammy. Yummy is good.
You can't even tell.
Got it.
Okay, turn it on slowly.
Got it.
I think I remember letting flour in this pot.
butter.
Good. Okay, go ahead and stop it and let's add this stuff. And the last little bit of goodness is salt, baking soda, baking powder, and pumpkin pie spice. I think that's kind of the magic.
Definitely.
Yeah. Get it all mixed in. Oh man. That looks good. Nice. Okay, I think we're ready to put it on the baking sheet.
Ready.
Let's go get it.
Okay.
Let's get scooping, girl. When you were little, we had you bake cookies and use the little cookie scoop to make your muscles stronger in your hands.
Good.
It motivated you
It
because you
did.
wanted to be a baker.
It's a great way to express yourself, to how to cook in the kitchen. And I see a lot of good recipes that you want to make. And see you've been inspired by everybody that you made it. That was a beautiful dinner I had. That means good. Now we have to put it at 17 minutes. So I did put the head 7 minutes for a certain reason. Because the oven is very hot. So all you do is get the spatula, get it out and put it in the cleaning rack. And there they are.
Alright, so what do we do with the cookies now?
Let's put the filling.
Put the filling. So we made the filling earlier to save time, but the ingredients are 3 cups of powdered sugar and a half a cup of butter. We use a plant-based butter because Leah is dairy-free.
I am.
And 8 ounces of vegan cream cheese so that it's dairy-free. And 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Goodness. It's gonna be yummy.
These are yummy.
Right. Okay, let's get spreading.
This is spreading.
That is so good and so easy.
It's very easy.
Yeah, okay, let's keep going. We've got quite a few. I don't think we can eat all of them.
I know.
Who should we call?
Dad,
Call Dad.
they can come here.
Are they ready?
Yes, they're ready.
They look really good. The big one?
Yes.
Okay. Try that. Oh man. That's good stuff.
It is good. Thank you for watching this week's video. This is a huge shout out to Terry Johnson who was in this whole video. I want to thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thanks for having us.
You did a good job.
I said. Oh wait. Pause. And let's set the YouTube channel if it doesn't yet. And you also follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Leah Meyer. And also follow me on Facebook, Leah Meyer. Thank you for watching this video.
Cooking with Leah. Yummy's good.
Yummy's good.